Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a neon glow art. Transform images to neon glow line art in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva. This is PC version. Don't forget to sign in with your account. Then you can click apps, then click design essentials. So you can scroll down and try to find neon glow. You can use in existing design or use a new design. You choose existing design, you can choose your project here. For example, want to transform, and here we go. So you can choose the image here. For example, adjust the glow intensity and line thickness, and also the glow color. Here you simply click generate neon image. Here we go, and click to replace selected image. Done. One. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.